Friends, in this video I will discuss about Tamil Nadu Cooperative Milk Producer Federation Limited vacancies and know about the selection procedure, what will be the maximum age limit, means all the important necessary thing regarding this vacancy I will discuss here. So before starting video, it is my humble request, do not skip a single moment of this video, because if you skip a single moment of this video, you get confused, means you do not get all the information that is necessary for this vacancy. So watch video till end. So let us start the vacancy. First I will discuss about the notification. So this is the notification, and before starting video, let me clear that it is for the post of senior factory assistant. So let us discuss about the education qualification for this post. So candidate who have passed 12th class can fill this form and have ITI, means a candidate who have passed their 12th class. If he or she have passed ITI in any trade, then he can also fill this form. And second important thing is that a candidate must have knowledge about Tamil language. So these two things is very important for this vacancy. Now let us discuss about another thing, that is number of vacancy. So there are 6 unit defined here. So total number of vacancies is 275. All the vacancies are shown in the screen, so you have to pause the video and watch the number of vacancies in different units. Now let us discuss about the age limit for this vacancy. So minimum age limit for this vacancy is 18 year, and maximum age limit for the other candidate or general candidate is 30 year. For the SC and ST 35 year, and OBC candidate 32 year. So this is the age limit. Now I will discuss about how you have to fill this form. So you have to go link given here, or you can go to the our description box. So this is the website link where you can go through the link and fill the form online, because this form is online mode. And now let us discuss about the selection procedure for this vacancy. Before starting selection procedure, I will discuss here about the examination fee or application fee. So for the general category or the OBC candidate, it is 100 rupees application fee plus 18% GST charges. For the SC and ST candidate, it is 50 rupees plus 18% GST charges. So this is the application fee for this vacancy. Now let us discuss our selection procedure. For this vacancy, the selection procedure is very simple. They will make merit list on the basis of your marks in your 10th or 12th class, and there is no written examination, no interview, only merit list will be made on the basis of your 10th. And the weightage given here, I have to show you weightage. If you are a candidate who have having the qualification of +2, so they are taking here marks, like means they are taking aggregate marks. So you have to obtain the marks in your 10th class. They will take weightage 40% for 10th class, and for +2 they will take weightage of 60%. If you have done ITI, then it is they will take 40% weightage mark your to 10th class, and for the ITI it will take a 60% marks as a weightage. So this is the selection procedure for this examination, and it is very quite simple. So totally depend on your marks in your 10+2 examination. Important date for this examination or this vacancy is I am discussing about last date of this form is, that is 16th July 2018. So this is all about the AAVIN vacancy. If you like our information, then give it thumb to it, and if you want another video regarding other vacancies, so subscribe our channel for this. If you do not have watched our earlier video, go to our video section and watch earlier video, that is very important for your career. So watch that video and fill that form. Link is given in the description box. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.